Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today my vlog is all about exploring IKEA, and we're gonna explore and see stuffs what we can get it. And yeah, wait and watch till the end to see how the IKEA looks. Until then, stay tuned. Finally, I made it to IKEA. We are in IKEA, guys. See, that's the setup. It's not our budget right now, so we just came to see. And that's my sister, future Prime Minister. IKEA is giving so rich vibe. Guys, the setup is amazing. I mean, if you're planning to have your own house in future, yes, this is a good place. So good place. You can get idea plus the stuffs, house interior things. Outfit check. These are candles. They smell so good. Can you take candles? Oh my god. This is for 199. Oh. You can't remove this. They're the same. कुछ नहीं भाई साहब, we are just seeing and enjoying and thinking to dream big because the things are crazy here. They still come. Guys, you don't know where is entry and where is exit. It's so big. There is no end inside, and we are lost and we don't know where we are right now. Let's see where to exit. We see mirror. We are just capturing ourselves. Yeah. Yes. Then say hi. This is paradise, guys. For the mirrors. It's so nice. See again mirrors. Oh my god, They're so pretty. See? The huge ones. Clocks and frame all together. Our plants. They look so real, but they're not real, guys. How pretty! How beautiful are the things here! Oh my god. Seeing what to take. Just checking. I mean, this is so beautiful, so good. Guys, my vlog is all about IKEA. Just showing, that's it. Nothing more than that. It's actually nice to hang out and check around things. Because there's no end and you'll be so tired. Not real. They all are fake. And that is today's Friday and they say they have some offer. And actually it is very crowded. Time to say bye. You can buy for your home. See that? It's shower place. I'm just showing the demo. Shower place. One shower. These are like pillows, curtains, bed sheets. What's that? Cute little dog, but I don't know where. It doesn't have any tag. And if I take this, I think she bought this and she was doing chutney in this salad. Where's the price of it? If I see the price, I'm taking. Sorry. That's a mat. I'm still searching for this dog. You know what is this? To make coffee, they'll grind that. What's this? Oh. Guys, this is L1, basically first floor, and they do have kitchen items, all kitchen items here. And we're just checking if we need something. Oh. You didn't like anything? No. Chal then, let's go. All. One day, this will be mine. See. This and the light. One day.
Oh, you can't, bro.
That's the only thing we can afford. 109. But we already have. So I'm not taking it. Extra one, I guess. We're not going to get anything for sure. I don't know what to say. It's just so pretty and so beautiful. Wow. Welcome to my house, guys. My future house.
No, we didn't come here.
After seeing this, I'm gonna achieve my dream. And I don't know what dream, but I will. Oh, so. You can sleep and check actually. I mean, it's a great way to get ideas here.
Yes, yeah, madam. Oh, and sleep bed? Okay.
10 years warranty. Guys, we just came to see, so the video is all about how IKEA looks. That's it. Nothing more than that.
You can get ideas.
You can get ideas, yeah. This is for utensils. Barbecue.
View. How many kitchens you have?
Whichever I can. Just ideas. So like, I'll see this video in future and like, oh, I've seen this in IKEA, so I'll set up like IKEA. Guys, another cheapest thing. 19 rupees. Only
4
19.
spoons.
4 spoons. And they're so, what? They're so good in color. I mean, so pastel type.
You're taking that?
Yes, I'm taking this.
And these are also 129.
Oh, these are 129. Okay. I got new pan, so I need this kind of spoon for that. Non-sticky pan needs. Guys, so far we just took few items and this is the main thing. Actually, I'll review once I go home what all we took. For now, only that much we have taken.
Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Oh, it's up to you. Look.
We are so tired roaming the whole IKEA. Now it's time to eat. We just ordered what's this, croissant, butter croissant, and some cappuccino, guys. Bye, hi. This is my sister's future kitchen. That's for her baby. Until now, I was the one who was seeing everything, and now she's just checking for her house. Don't torture that. We are gonna end this shopping here finally. Oh my god, so tiring. We are here literally from 4, no, 3:30.
Finally billing. Final.
Final. All round experience was good, but it's very tiring and it's a very long way to go. If you are coming to IKEA, please have patience. Bye. Few items are cheap, few stuffs are really cheap, but few are very expensive, which I think, I don't know. I'll give a review once I will give what I bought. I'll show you guys what I bought once I go home. Yes guys, it's time to say goodbye. Until next time. And time to go in metro now. Let's go. We are in metro. Hi guys, now it's time to review the products that I got from IKEA. So first one is this hand wash dispenser. This was for 69. Just look at this. It's a glass bottle. So pretty. And I think right now sale is going on in IKEA, but these are not from sales, I guess. But there is offer in all this. And this is a vase. This was for 99. I need to get flowers and keep in this. It is so pretty. And we got this cute bear. This was for 299. It's so fluffy, so soft. So the next one is this 18 pieces of spoons. Actually the MRP is 139, but we got it for 99. They are so pretty in colors, so pastel. That's why I bought this. And the next one is this. This is called iron on hemming strip. This is, I think you might know this. This is actually a tape kind of thing where, like, if your pant is too long, you can just put it and iron it. It's for that, to make it short. This is milk frother. It was for 139 and I got it for 99. I mean, it is so good, useful product. And guys, this is lint roller. This for 99 and I bought extra 4 more. This was 199. So yeah. And guys, these are non-sticky spoons. The MRP was 208, but I got it for 129. Good price. And this alarm, it was for 249. MRP is 349. Actually, it's a great sale. And these are kitchen towels. It was for 279, but we got it for 199. And the best part is this frames. MRP is 139. Most of them are 139, but then we bought them for 99 each. I love them. And these are sponge. This was also for 139, but we got it for 99. I think this is last. This is a cushion. We got it for 299. And that's it, guys. This was my product review. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.